most financial institutions operate in silos, and it's a very complex workflow that everyone has to be part of to actually execute that vision of funding their loan, which is, sounds pretty simple. You decide you want to buy a home, eventually it's got to come out the other end, and someone's going to write the check and you're going to buy your home. But there are 6 or 7 core processes in that workflow, and often they're very siloed in nature, partially because technology has forced it, because everyone has their own technology world they have to live in. Part of it is not finding a way to understand how much of that work is repetitive, how much of that work is done twice or 3 or 4 times across those different groups. And one of the things that we've been able to do is simplify a lot of that by bringing it into one system, keeping a chain of custody of the actions that actually occurred, reviewing the information once instead of 3 or 4 times. I mean, ultimately, lending boils down to 4 core buckets. It's data, documents, decisions, and then disbursements. And today, it's probably 8 buckets that they operate in. And so for us, being able to try to bring that down to 4 and then share the core information across the different departments allows for a much more efficient process.